Hi children, good morning everyone. So how are you? I hope you are fine and you are at home eating a very healthy food, taking care of your health as well as spending the time with your parents and siblings and learning a lot of new things, and as well as you are watching our videos and trying to complete your worksheet as well as the textbook bits. And you are learning what we are sending in the YouTube videos. Yes, so this is the class 2 children, the EVS subject. So we have completed, right? Yesterday we have completed this one, houseboats and everything. So in this lesson what we have gone through? Yes, different types of houses. Okay, huts, bungalows, multi-story buildings, tilt house, caravans, igloos, tent, houseboats. These are all the different types of houses. Okay, how the house are protecting us, right? Different materials which we are using for kacha house and pakka house, right? These are all we went through it, and today we are going to complete the textual information, right? And that is exercises we are going to complete as we have started yesterday, right? We have started yesterday. Now we are going to complete this. Okay, do and learn means, well, you have to do and you have to learn. So actually what is the best way to learn is to do. Okay, and when we are doing, we are obviously learning, right? Activity. What is this, children? Activity. F bit. My parents want to build a house in the city. My parents want to build a house in the city. What will they need? What will they need? See children, in the cities very rarely we find the kacha houses. So obviously in the cities there are many more pakka houses, right? So for the pakka houses, what do they need? Which type of materials do we need? That we need to know. Okay, color the correct clouds. What are the so are you seeing these are all clouds? In this one material, different types of materials they have given, right? So we need to color it. You have to take a color and you have to color it. Any color you have to take. Which is your favorite color, that you have to take and you have to color it. Let us start, children. So bricks, obviously bricks are very important in the pakka house. Please color it, children. I am just sticking it. Okay. Straw is using in the kacha houses, not pakka houses. So don't color it. Getting, children? Don't color the straw. Next one, wood. Obviously wood is very important. Even in the pakka houses where you are living, that is made up of pakka house, and that is made up of wood, steel, iron, yes, bricks, cement, these all. Okay. Mud. Are you finding any mud in your house? I don't think so, children, right? Next one, steel. Yes, steel is also very important. So please color it, children. Your favorite color you need to do. This is what we are doing, and it will be a very interesting, right? Steel one. Please color it, children. And cement, C-E-M-E-N-T, cement. Yes, obviously it is also very important. Please color it, children. So what are the things you have to color in this activity, children? Bricks, steel, wood and cement. Sorry children, I have not ticked this one. Please wood also do. Okay, bricks, wood, steel, cement. These are helpful in making the pakka houses which you can find in the city. Yes, I hope you have done it. Okay, shall I give you the time also? Yes. Please do it, children. You can pause the video and you can do it. Okay, children? Yes. Yes, next one is project. G bit. Take an adult's help to cut out pictures of different types of houses. Paste them on a sheet of chart paper. Bring your chart to class. So you have to actually, whenever you are going, whenever you are getting the magazines or whenever you are getting the newspaper, try to find out which are the kacha houses, which are the pakka houses, and then you have to you have to paste on the chart. Okay, children. If If it is not available, if it is not available, you draw the houses. See, very nice houses will be there, na, tent and hut, how it will be looking like, that you have to do. Okay, and paste in the group, children. Like after drawing the houses, you keep in the WhatsApp group, so that we get to know, like, yes, our children are doing something, right? So even we will appreciate you, you will feel also good by doing the drawing and sketching, right? So draw different type of houses and then you post in the group. Okay, children? Okay. Thank you, children. Now turn the page, children. Turn the page. Yes. Turn the page. It is page number 148. Okay, children. Fun to do. Fun to do. H bit. The names of homes of these animals are hidden in the word puzzle. What is spelling for puzzle, children? P-U-Z-Z-L-E, puzzle. Okay. The names of homes. See, the animals where they are living, they are called as their homes, right? So these where they are living, their homes are hidden in this table. Okay, we have to find out them. Okay. Horse lives in where, children? Stable. Cows lives in where? Shed. Lion lives in den. Shall we find out where is den? Yes, here. Please circle this, children. Circle in a very neat handwriting. Okay. Okay. Next one, rabbit. Rabbit lives in where, children? Okay. Yes, children. So rabbit lives in hutch. Rabbit lives in hutch. Okay. Next, sheep. Sheep lives in where, children? Pen. P-E-N, pen. Okay, that's not pen which you are able to write. This is the pen where the sheep lives. Okay, lion lives in den, and the hen lives in a coop. Please do it along with me, children. Lives in a coop. Oh, sorry, I have to do it good. Yes, and dog lives in a kennel. Dog lives where, children? In a kennel. Please do it, children. Dog lives in a kennel. Okay, next one. A poem for me. My home. Some houses are big, some houses are small, some houses are wide, some houses are tall. So many houses wherever I roam, but the very best one is my special home. Okay, children. So here what they are saying, children, like all houses are there in this world, right? Few houses are very big, very large, where few houses are very small. There are different types of houses, but what is the special one for me? That is my home. Okay. So here, that is my home, sweet home. Yes. So this girl is showing her home, that is her sweet home. Okay. Now children, this one, see this one, values. So every time we have to have some value in our life, right? I bit this one, some multi-story buildings. What is this, children? Multi-story building. What is this, children? Multi-story buildings have lifts. So most even in the shopping malls, also in the so many multi-story buildings, because they have so many floors, right? First floor, second floor. So they have what, children? Lifts, and you have so many times you have gone through it, right? People use it to go up and down. So where we are using the lift? Why we are using? To go up and to come down, right? The building. Read the questions. We have to read the questions. Circle your answers. What we need to do, children? We have to circle the correct answers. Are you ready? Yes. Do you think? T-H-I-N-K, think. Lifts are for fun. Do you think lifts are for fun? Obviously no, children. Lifts are not fun. If you are continuously just keeping on the button and you are continuously pressing the button, that's not good for anyone. So what do you think? Is it for fun? No, obviously no. So you have to circle this no. Okay children, I hope you have learnt, and if you have not done, please pause the video and then you have to try to listen again and then you do it. Okay. Do you think it is safe to play with lift buttons? So obviously you know na children, when you are getting into the lift, you will get so many buttons there, first floor, second floor, third floor, and major cities they have 18 or 19 floors. Okay children, and do you think that that buttons are for playing? As you are continuously playing with the keyboard buttons, are the lifts for fun, or can we play with that buttons? See children, lift is how much it is useful for us, it is harmful for us. So we should use in a proper way. Anything we have to use in a proper way. So do you think, is it safe to play with the lift buttons? No, obviously no, it is not safe. Okay, it's not correct. Okay, because it is depends upon the electricity, yes, and it is going up, it is a machine, right? So we have to use in a proper way. Okay children, do you make noise in the lift? Actually most of the time the lift, those who are only 1 or 2 persons, sometimes more than 5 persons are allowed, like the number of persons in the lift are in the limit. Okay, so what happened, so when you are going in that, then only 1 or 2 persons will be available, so we can't make the noise in the lift. Okay children, so do you make the noise in the lift, like you are shouting in the lift, or you are doing any noises? So will you do that? No, we should not do that. Okay, no, what we have to do, we should not make noise in the lift. So first one is also no, second one is also no, and even third one is no. So this is on the page number 148 children. So we have completed this textual information, and then we need to go for the worksheets. Tomorrow we will complete the worksheets also. So completed the textual information, and if you have any doubts, please ask us without hesitation. Okay children, take care children, bye everyone.